Leadership is essential if we want to success, whether in small group or a big team. A true leader guides the group in the right directions, improve collaborations, and achieve great goals together. Without an effective leadership, even the most talented and hardworking group can feel lost, confused, and disorganized about their purpose. Hi, my name is Malis Sarina Ponama. I'm 10 years old and a 5th grade student at Gagatria Primary School in Bandung, Indonesia. Today I want to talk about how can great leaders unite others based on my experience in my own lives. Great leaders aren't just people who give orders. They are individuals who take responsibility when things go wrong, communicate clearly so everyone understands, solve problems creatively when the problems appear, and inspire others to believe in themselves in the team mission. Let me share my story that changed how I view teamwork. A month ago, my classmate and I received a challenging school project about sound waves and hearing aids. At first, we are completely disconnected. Everyone worked independently and rarely sharing ideas. We had many different thoughts about the project, but couldn't figure out how to combine them. Arguments started to break out and some students stopped participating altogether. Then, Nikki, one of my quieter teammates, started to surprise us all by stepping forward. I think I know how we can work better together, she said with confidence that we hadn't seen before. How Nikki was an unflying leader was how she recognized each person's strengths, created a structure that gave everyone purpose, and built bridge between disagreeing team members. When the argument started to arouse, she didn't choose sides, but she asked, like, what's the important thing about this project, guys? That question remind us about the goals and growth us together. What I admire most about Nikki was how well she listens and built a trust. When Nalia was too shy to share her ideas in front of everyone, Nikki talked privately with her and helped her to present those ideas to the group. When Atar disagreed strongly about the project format, she acknowledged the perspective and found a creative compromise that actually improved our final presentations. Because of her unifying leadership, we not only finished the project on time, but also created something that made us all proud. More importantly, our class became closer and more supportive of each other, even after the project ended. I hope one day to be this kind of leader, someone who brings people together through active listening, kindness, and take the first step when others hesitate. This might seem like a small things, but they create the foundations of trust and unity that our schools and communities need. Thank you for listening my reflections about how great leaders unite others. Bye!